welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Royce and welcome. Today I'm excited as I'll be showing you my fall decoration and I hope you guys like it. Without wasting much time, let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we go. Over here in this corner I have one of the pumpkins that I bought from Lowe's. I bought two big ones and 4 small ones. I paid about $5.99 for the big ones each, and then the small ones I paid about $3. And I also have a lantern here that I bought from Walmart. It's a set of 2. Each was going for $9.99. And I love how they look, and I love that they had the flowers inside and all that stuff. And over here I have this big mom flower that I bought from Lowe's as well, and I paid $18. And I love it. Look at this, guys, it's so beautiful. And I love that they have the other flowers sticking out. And then here we have this rag or mat that I bought from Ross. I paid $4.99. I love it. I love the look, and I thought it would go with the decor. And I like what it says. It says happy fall, y'all. And then over here I forgot I have hay. It's still in the plastic, guys, bear with me. I left it in there because it's been raining here in Ohio, so I didn't want the rain to kind of break the hay down, so that's why I'm protecting it like that. And I love the way it looks, and from afar it doesn't show, but I thought you guys should know. And then here we come to the masterpiece. Oh my god, I love this wreath. I bought this wreath from Joanne and I paid $29.99, and I really loved it. Look at the details, guys, the colors. Oh my god, I loved it. I thought it would go with the doll since I have a red doll. Yeah, and then over here we have another pumpkin, one of the pumpkins, and I just put it on top of that stand which I bought from TJ Maxx. I had it last summer, so I just replaced the flower. And there's the other lantern. And over here I have another mom flower which I bought from Lowe's as well. These are the smaller ones. This is actually supposed to be a hanging flower, but I cut the top off and I put it here because I didn't like how they looked when they were hanging. So I thought people would admire the beauty of the flower when it was on the floor. And then here we have this crate that I bought. You're supposed to use it for, I think, storing beer or alcohol, something like that. But I put hay inside there, and I have the other pumpkins, the small pumpkins. I put it in there. I thought that would be a nice look, and it just went with what I envisioned. And on the top here I have the hanging pumpkins, the wire pumpkins. I thought these looked better than the flowers, and I got this from Walmart, and I paid $9.99. I got 2 of them and each was $9.99. And then we come here, guys. Here, guys, we have the bench. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks really nice. I love the way the pillows came out, and I love how the pillows married with the decor around. I bought the pillow covers from Amazon. I'll put the link down there. And I paid about $16.99, and I thought it was a really good deal. The quality is good, and I just stuffed them with my odd pillows, so I like the way it looks, guys. Look at that. And I got the bench. If anybody is wondering, I got the bench from Lowe's as well, and I paid $113. Yeah, I paid $113 for it, and I love how it looked. Look at that, guys, looks really nice. And then over here we have this stand. This is one of the other hanging flowers, the moms. I just put it under there. I was having difficulties with what to do here, and then I just got some hay, and then I put the pine and whatever that fruit is, and just put it there just to kind of give it a fall look. And then on the top here I have the I have this pumpkin that I bought from Joanne, and I paid about $5 for it. I love the writing. And then on the top here I just wrote happy fall, and then I tried to be creative and try and draw a pumpkin on the leaf. And you know, guys, you can't be talented in everything, but you know, I tried. And yeah, guys, and then on the top, I have the other pumpkin as well, the wild pumpkin that I got from Walmart. So yeah, guys, I love how everything turned out. I think it really looks nice all together combined, and I'm proud of what I did. So this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please like, comment and share, and also turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be the first ones to know. And yeah, guys, thank you so very much again. Bye bye.